Good morning, everybody. This is Marie Tucker, the lead AVID coordinator for Alvin ISD. I was reaching out to help you get prepared for Digital XP, which is the AVID professional development you have signed up for to attend. It will start next week on Monday the 14th, and it will conclude on Wednesday the 16th. I know many of you are from my own campus, Alvin High School, but several of you watching this video are from other parts of the district. So hopefully this will be a quick video to help you get prepared for Monday. So you're going to start by going to avid.org, which is the website for AVID. And this is where I want you to look at where it says My AVID. If you click on this, guys, it's going to take you to the login screen. Now, many of you who are experienced with AVID or have attended professional development before, you already have your login. It should be your school email address for everybody, maybe one or two people, a personal email, but most of you, it should be this. If you are new to AVID and I created your account, or somebody on your campus created your account for you, you're going to want to click here first, lost password. It will then take you to, just like any other account, what you need to do to reset your password. For everybody else, you will just log in as you would for any other account that you have. Now, guys, your screen is going to look a little bit different than mine because my permissions within AVID are different. So the big thing I need you to focus on is right here where it says My eLearning, My eLearning. This is how you're going to get to your AVID training. When you click on My eLearning, it will take you to the to the dashboard and to the portal for your training. Now, right now, when you log in, your training class is not there. Your training class is not there. But this is the dashboard. So if you see my first 2-1, it says 2021 AVID Digital XP Tech Check, and then a pre-work, and it should have the dates June 14th and 16th. I have other things because those are other trainings. So what I strongly suggest that you do first, guys, is you do the Tech Check. So if you click it, it's going to have a home screen. It's going to talk to you about using Chrome or Firefox. If you need to test your computer and you need help, they do have people from the AVID Center staff who can help you, and it'll take you through there, talk to you about technology, review some pieces with you again, and then there's a checklist at the bottom. If you click here, just this is what your training class will actually look like when you do get your training class, where you'll have the home screen, you'll have modules, and then that way it's more in a format like this, and then which people are in there. And right now it may only be me. So, oh, look, everybody else is in there. Haha. So if I go back to Tech Check again, it'll help me go through. Now to go back to my class, I'm going to go back to my little AVID guy up here, and it's going to take me back to my dashboard. Now it's in a different order. Awesome. Good to know that. Thanks. So I'm looking for the pre-work, So if you go to the home, guys, it does have pre-work. E-learning navigation. I strongly suggest for those of you, if this is your first digital XP that is with AVID, try to go through the e-learning navigation because it's going to help you understand what they use. They actually use, instead of Google Classroom or some of the other sites, AVID actually uses something called Big Blue Button. And so some of these are going to help you get through and understand what you need to do before you even start. So the pre-work, again, talking about the difference with your Chrome, your Firefox, going back to the modules, trying to figure out which of these information pieces that you need, okay? So click through these. There we go. Big Blue Button is under conferences. This is the platform that they use, and it does say you will see the conferences links show up in your course, which is this course 15 minutes prior to your first synchronous meeting. The link will not be available before that. So do understand, if you want to test and see what Big Blue Button looks like, you can click on this. It will take you there. You do put in your name because it will appear. It will appear for them, for the instructors. I would like to join with my microphone. And then this is what it looks like. So what'll happen is oh, I can hear myself now. Sorry. I am the only person in the conference. So you'll have a list of people who are in the conference and you'll have the information here. You're going to have at least 2 instructors that are with you that will be going through information, okay? So I would definitely click on that, testing the Big Blue Button, checking your audio, sharing your webcam, looking at the chat box, things like that. They can actually set up breakout rooms, so you will be doing little breakout sessions. But that is what you need to know right now as far as the training. Again, you can notice even if I click through mine, I don't have my actual training class in here yet. But I do want to go ahead and review one more thing with you before I let you go. So this is the actual schedule of events. So we are going to be starting on Monday, June 14th. You will notice that they will have Avid Care and Support hours via phone or email from 7 to 4. Then this is Avid 101, an introductory session for participants who are new to Avid and those who would like a review. So, not trying to be mean, I have been with Avid now for 10 years. I am not going to that session. If you're brand new to Avid and you just really want to hear what it's about, I would definitely consider going to this session. If you feel like you know what Avid is, but you're still not 100%, I would encourage you to go to this session. So really on Monday, we're gonna start at 9:45 in the morning, Central Time. We're gonna have a live community gathering. It's actually gonna be everybody that's in training. No, you will not see them all, but it's more like a welcome. And then you're going to go to your community of practice. So that's what, going back to your dashboard, and your specific training class will be over here. So my English teachers will be going to English, my math teachers to math, Avid teachers to Avid, okay? Now keep in mind, notice this says synchronous. So from 10:15 to 12:15, you will be in that Big Blue Button classroom and you will have teachers working with you. You will have, or I'm sorry, I should say Avid developers is what they call them, staff developers. Then you have lunch from 12:15 to 1:15 on your own. And then from 1:15 to 2:45, you will go back to the same, they call it community of practice or your training, but it's going to be semi-synchronous. So what'll happen is they'll review a few things. They're going to go ahead and talk to you about a few things, but they're going to have you do some of those things on your own, in your own pace. All right, on your own pace. All right, and I'm going to come back to site teams if you don't mind in a minute. Then go ahead, day 2. Very similar, Avid Care, welcoming again. Then you're gonna start your community of practice from 9 to 10:30. You get to take a 15-minute break. Then you're gonna go back to the same class, have your lunch, and then again in the afternoon, semi-synchronous. So the instructors will be there. They will go through a few things with you, but you will be going through some things by yourself. And then Wednesday, very similar schedule. The care support hours are there. Welcoming again. Community of practice, which is your same training. So you're with the same 2 staff developers, the same people who've been in your class. If you're an ELA instructor, you're with ELA. If you're an Avid instructor, you're with Avid. You have your break, community of practice, lunch, and then you finish with your community of practice semi-synchronous. All right, so hopefully that helps. I'm going to do a separate video for site teams because that's traditionally more for the coordinators, and then I will give some information to my particular people at Alvin High School. I hope this helps, guys. Please feel free to reach out to me if anything I said was not clear. Thank you.